Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Trading Channel. Today we're going to take a look at the Australian dollar Swiss franc. As you can see, the Australian dollar has been relatively strong, put in some nice moves to the upside, especially during this past week. We've seen this nice strong move from here to here, and we're looking for this strength to continue into the next week. So we've just started to put in this little basin structure here, and this all ties in very nicely. Put a couple of lines there if we look left. This ties in nicely with previous support, resistance, broken, turning into support again. So what are we looking at here? What do I need to get involved? Well, I'd like to see this channel develop a little bit more. We may get one more retest to the top, we may not, and I'll be looking to accumulate some retail trader stops under this level. So I'd imagine somewhere under here. Obviously the next logical level for stops would be way down here. There's little to no structure on this move back up, and what retail traders will be looking to do is to place their stops below the nearest structure, which is this one that is just developing and forming now. Generally down below here, this will be too much or too far for retail traders to put their stops. So what I'm looking for is for price to base off around here a little bit, drop back below, clean out these stops before reversing. We may even get a small push and failure before shooting up to the outside. Obviously this may not occur, and this may just continue to the upside, or obviously none of this can occur and it may just fail to the downside. But I am looking for this market to continue, and in order for me to get involved, this is what I would need to see in order to take a trade and jump on this to the upside. Now, depending on what type of trader you are, you may be looking to trade this 1-to-1 or 2-to-1, or as a continuation and ride it for some time. Target wise, I will leave that up to yourselves, but I'm certainly looking at a couple of areas up towards the top here. Obviously if we make it through these areas, then there's a good way to go to the top. Anyway, I hope you found this video informative. If you did, please give it a like, give it a share, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.